Hello everyone. Are you facing a situation which you have an old or faulty equipment and would like to change? But usually you need to pay a lot to get the new equipment. It's not very worthy, right? Don't worry. In 2023, Sunrise has presented a new Retrofit console. It can match all the treadmills at the market. The purpose is that we can reborn a machine like the used machine or an old-function machine. The retrofit way is not too complicated, and please refer the following video. First, we take down off the original console, then turn to the back side. Unscrew the housing to remove the PCB board. Second, use the position paper to mark the location point of the fixed point. Start to screw it to have the location point. Third, don't forget to remain the middle space of the communication wire space for the retrofit console. Okay, once you finish the location point, you can start to fix the TFT console on the original housing, then start to screw to fix. After modification, the retrofit console is perfectly fixed on the original housing easily. Let's connect the wire, then power on. At the beginning page, here comes the welcome interface and membership login page. We can just press the black sign up button to create the account in 30 seconds. Then enter account to log in easily, or we can just choose guest. You will be bringing into the home page, which we designed in modern technology style by using the green lake color style. The software is embedded with 7 topic categories programs. Each category has unique topic and includes about 3 to 5 workout modes. For example, let's take the interval topic to introduce. You can choose the popular HIIT mode to set the workout parameters and preview the workout profile before you start workout. It's very intuitional for every user to operate the unit. The console is still embedded with the most popular and economic 8 third-party applications. These 8 are based on our numerous year experience to statistic the actual using situation for end user. Okay, let's enter the quick start mode to find out what you can experience at one mode. You can easily adjust the speed on the screen, or directly adjust on the touch buttons, same as the incline function. By pressing and select the middle window, you can switch the appear value to show on the screen, such as time, calories, mates, elevation gain, and heart rate information. Open up the middle window, you can adjust the speed and incline with the digital fast key to get what you desire of the training level. The huge profile window will automatically switch at the same time. Besides the profile, you can also press the playground icon to show the laps information. We designed by following the international standard of 400 meters as one lap. Okay, watching the entertainment content is the most motivative way for exercise. Let's use the YouTube as demonstrate. The YouTube content can be adjusted to full screen, normal screen, and mini screen to show the original display of video, content, and streaming, same as other third-party applications. Another convenient function is the screen mirroring function. You can just sync your smartphone screen to the console. Press the console full screen button, then turn into your content as big screen. After enjoying the workout content, we can finish the workout while pressing the pause button. But if you accidentally press, you can press the digital resume or green stop button when the bell is stopped. Once you press the finish button, the summary page will show up. You can see the exercise statistics value are very clearly, and if you want to see detail of the profile, just press the tab for detail of speed heart rate and incline heart rate profile. If you are satisfied with this workout, we also create a save workout to user to let you run again the same result. Or you can choose to share the result to the social media. Okay, that's all about the workout mode, and press home button to back to home page. You can also read about the machine information on the console of the latest software and using situation, like total time and total distance. The machine setting is allow you to change some setting like brightness, variant, language, and unit. Date and time is adjustable as well. The remaining function setting is designed as the on-off button to let you know easily. Connectivity function is upon the machine setting, which can let you choose the wireless function such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth as well. Look at it, it's very easy to change the old one to brand new one. We know some users usually consider about trying the new function of the fitness equipment, but the new machine usually costs a lot. By implementing our new TFT Retrofit kit, you are able to not only enjoy the system update, but also reborn your own unit or broken unit. Please don't hesitate to contact us.